Hi, Sue. Thank you so much for letting me do this screencast for you and for sending me your website. It's been a little difficult doing ministries and people comparing them, but it's not impossible. But basically, what I'm going to go over is the three major components that involve search engine optimization. And so this is basically how to get your page ranked on Google for certain search topics and things. So there's on-site optimization and there's off-site optimization. And on-site has to do with how your website is developed, and it involves keywords, title tags, alt tags, these kind of things. And so generally, you want to have about 1,500 words on your front page here, just explaining who you are. And here it's gonna, host those specific keywords that you want to rank for, such as jazz singer, gospel singer, contemporary blues. You want to have those sprinkled out through your 1,500 words on this first page, just so that Google will begin to recognize you and rank you. You definitely want to have, title tag, jazz, gospel, whatever it is you're specifically targeting. And so you can actually have separate pages for jazz or another page for gospel, and that could be in your URL here too. And so definitely would add singer up here just so that people can search and find a singer, because this kind of looks like somebody's name all running together like that. But what I did is I took your website in a search, sorry, a tool that we use, a paid tool called Ahrefs, and it kind of shows how you are ranking within Google. Right here is the strength of your domain. Here's the popularity with Google. And then you have the three components, the backlinks, the referring domains or citations, and your keywords that you're ranking for. So backlinks is basically other websites or domains that your website is connected to, and it links back to your website. So it could be a blog, it could be a venue, a church, it could be a magazine, an online magazine. Right here, this is citations, and this is everywhere that your website would be listed, and then kind of like who you are and stuff like that, listing like a directory listing. So let's just take a look at your keywords and what you're ranking for. Sings.com, www.soo. These are interesting, and I'm not sure how they are actually keywords, but they do have a search volume of 20 in the whole nation, 80, 20. And you're, sorry about that. Just click that one off. You're ranking in the 24th position for sings.com, and the 50th position in www.soo. So what I did is I Googled jazz singer Los Angeles, because that's something that people will be searching for, and jazz was your first thing here. So I Googled jazz singer Los Angeles, and here's going to be some kind of listings that you could actually, these may be the bash, I don't know if it's kind of a blog post or something like that, but these are listings that you could actually be posted in. So I went to find the first organic result, and I found Sylvia Brooks here. So what I did is, and you can see that she has a lot of content here on her first page. I took her into the tool as well, and it shows, you can see, oops, that's not her. Let's just quickly take her and see how she ranks in comparison, since she is the top one on Google here in Los Angeles. So you can see that her UR and DR are very high in comparison. She has over 1,000 backlinks or other websites that she's connected to. Her name and website is in 545 different listings, directory listings, and she's ranking for 240 keywords. So let's just take a look at those keywords really quick. So here you go: classic jazz singer, a female lounge singer, female jazz singers, current, contemporary female jazz singer. These are things that are modern jazz singer. You can see the search volume right here. These are certain keywords that you would want to implement within your content on your page so that you can be found for these type of things. And it would go the same for gospel singer, or let's see, what else do you have? Contemporary, blues singer. You would want to have all those specific keywords within your website so that you can be found for them, and be optimized in that way so that you're ranking in the top positions for those organic search results. So that's how search engine optimization works, and just give you a little comparison there. So the backlinks, the citations, and the keywords, getting those up to par will really help you rise in the rankings, and hopefully get you more business. Thanks, girl.